Hey, this is Dustin Sanchez at DustinSanchezTV.com, and a question I get asked a lot by attorneys, especially attorneys who are just starting out, is how can I design my own website affordably? Okay, and the big problem is one, you just don't know what you don't even know, right? You start designing your own website and you basically waste a lot of time and money because you're not an online marketing expert. Well, I have created this video series for attorneys just like you who want to build their own website affordably, and you want to build it on your own at your own pace, okay? I have created this video series to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to teach you my method, the same method I use to get results like this. This is the Google Search Console from one of my bankruptcy attorneys. You can see all of the clicks that they have from their blog articles. These are clicks that create phone calls that lead to money for your law firm. Here you can see a divorce lawyer website that I built. You can see all of the long tail traffic that that website is generating, and even a lot of money keywords that this website generates, which allows this attorney to make a comfortable living every month off of this small lawyer blog that I built for them. Here you can see a DWI attorney in a major city that is just killing it using this exact same method that I'm about to teach you. Now, the first thing you need to learn, you're going to need to watch all of these videos in order. I'm giving you this first video for free, okay? No charge. What you have to do is you're going to have to get hosting and registration, okay? A lot of attorneys don't pay attention to something that is extremely important. If you want to generate traffic with your website, you need your website to load extremely fast, okay? So let me show you what I believe is the most affordable hosting that you can get that allows your website to load very fast, okay? So this first video is going to cover really two things. One, purchasing hosting for your website, and two, choosing the right domain name for your website, okay? People don't talk about how important it is today to choose the correct domain name, so let's get into that right now. Okay, as I have already stated, we need to choose an extremely fast website host for your website. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I talk about website hosts and website registrars, don't worry, just do what I tell you to do in this video. Everything is going to work out fine. Okay, open a web browser and type in DustinSanchezTV.com/hosting. All right? DustinSanchezTV.com/hosting. Okay, that is going to redirect you to this DreamHost web page. I use DreamHost because they just load very fast when you host with them. Okay, you host with DreamHost and your website's going to load quickly, especially if you employ all the methods that I'm going to show you to make your website speed up even faster in the next few videos. Okay, so here's what you do. You go here, DreamHost, you click sign up now. Basically, just type in your email address. I'm going to just type in a fake one to show you how to go through this. You're basically creating an account here, okay? You're purchasing shared hosting. There's a 97-day money-back guarantee, so it's all good. Okay, we need to talk about choosing your domain name. Once you've kind of begun creating your account, you're going to choose your domain name. It is important for you to use the word lawyer or lawyers or attorney in your domain name. That's just going to help with your search engine optimization down the line, okay? For now, just use the word lawyer, lawyers, or attorney in your domain name. What I like to advise every attorney is, let's assume that your last name is Anderson, okay? Just use your last name and the word lawyer in your website, and you typically can get a .com domain. So let's assume your last name is Anderson. I'm just going to type in AndersonLawyer.com, and I'm going to click on this search. Okay, it says unavailable. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type andersonlawyers.com. And it says unavailable again, meaning someone has already registered that domain name. What if I typed in Anderson Lawyer and then the city I'm in, like Anderson Lawyers Houston? Boom, that one is available, okay? AndersonLawyersHouston.com. That way I can have the word, now I have the city and the word lawyer in my domain name. You don't typically need the city, but sometimes it can help. Also, let's assume maybe I didn't want to use the word lawyer, I wanted to use the word attorney. If it's just a blog, maybe you do Anderson Attorney. If it's an actual law firm website, you do AndersonAttorneys.com. Let's see if that's available. Okay, and then once again, you could go Anderson Attorneys Houston, or Anderson Attorneys Texas, or Anderson Attorneys San Diego, you know, whatever. Wherever you are, you could throw that in and bam, that is available, AndersonAttorneysHouston.com. So what you'll want to do is you're just going to click register now, you know, for $11.95, whatever. Okay, now when you're purchasing, so you have registered a domain name there. I told you how to choose the correct domain name in that video. If you have any questions, I'm going to put a link on this web page and under this video. Click that link. You can ask me a question if you have one about registering your correct domain name. Let's talk about your hosting plan now. What I recommend is choose one of these, either the monthly, the 1 year, or the 3 year. It doesn't matter which one, okay? You're gonna be hosting here. If you're an attorney, you're just always going to have a website. So 3 years down the line, you're still going to need hosting, whether you're hosting this website or a different blog or a different lawyer website. You're just always going to need hosting. So why not get the $7.95 per month, best value? Just click continue. Okay, a lot of times when you're purchasing hosting, they try to get you with all kinds of upsells. Like, do you want a malware remover? If it's me, I don't. I just click no. Do you want to install WordPress? I would just click no, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. Do you want MySQL VPS? I would just click no. In the beginning, while you're just starting out, before you really don't know anything yet, just avoid all of these upsells and hit continue. Now, if you have a personal preference for some of this stuff, sure, go ahead and purchase it. All right, I'm just going to not do any of it. I'm going to click continue. Okay, this is the money part. And DreamHost is signing up DreamHost account. I'm going to stop right here because I don't want to actually create an account. I already have a DreamHost account. I actually have a few DreamHost accounts. It's self-explanatory. You got the rest from here. Go ahead and finish doing this. Finish with your hosting, finish with your registration, and then in video 2, I'm going to show you how to build an entire web property, entire web presence that just generates traffic every month, generates phone calls for your website every month. I'm going to show you step by step how to do everything that I do to make that happen for attorneys all over the United States. I will see you in the next video. I am Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com. Later, dude.